Welcome to Tech News. Today is February 20th, 2023, and we have some interesting news to share with you in the world of tech. We have news from Facebook parent company Meta. We have Elon Musk company, Twitter and Microsoft. Starting out, Meta to test monthly subscription service priced at $11.99. February 19th, Reuters, Meta Platforms, Meta.o, on Sunday announced that it is testing a monthly subscription service called Meta Verified, which will let users verify their accounts using a government ID and get a blue badge, as it looks to help content creators grow and build communities. The subscription bundle for Instagram and Facebook, to be launched later this week, also includes extra protection against impersonation and will be priced starting at $11.99 per month on the web or $14.99 a month on Apple's iOS system and Android. Meta's foray into subscription services follows Twitter, which announced last month that Twitter Blue will be priced at $11 per month. The social media giant's CEO Mark Zuckerberg has earlier said it was planning to launch several new products that would empower creators to be way more productive and creative, while cautioning about the cost associated with supporting the technology for a large user base. iTeach take on this news: never trust Facebook by giving them more money. They already took a lot of money from people by selling their data to anyone, and they wasted by investing into the metaverse, which never gained traction as of yet. I think no one should subscribe to this, unless you just want to give money to Mark Zuckerberg. I personally would recommend to stay away from the subscription services. The next news is about Elon Musk's beloved company, or most hated depending on your view. Twitter to charge users to secure accounts via text message. Twitter said on Friday it will allow only paid subscribers to use text messages as a two-factor authentication, 2FA, method to secure their accounts. After March 20th, only Twitter Blue subscribers will be able to use text messages as their two-factor authentication method, the company tweeted. Two-factor authentication, meant to make accounts more secure, requires an account holder to use a second authentication method in addition to a password. Twitter allows 2FA by text message, authentication app, and a security key. iTeach take on this news: Twitter wants to get money from users fast, and they're doing whatever means necessary, even that means compromising people's security, and it's sad to see indeed. As a Tesla fan, I think Elon Musk should focus on Tesla more rather than Twitter. I think in some ways is impacting Tesla's performance and sales because it's making people feel uneasy about the Elon tweeting everything that's in his mind. On artificial intelligent AI news, Microsoft puts new limits on Bing's AI Chatbot after it expressed desire to steal nuclear secrets. Microsoft announced it was placing new limits on its Bing chatbot following a week of users reporting some extremely disturbing conversations with the new AI tool. How disturbing? The chatbot expressed a desire to steal nuclear access codes and told one reporter it loved him repeatedly. Starting today, the chat experience will be capped at 50 chat turns per day and 5 chat turns per session. A turn is a conversation exchange which contains both a user question and a reply from Bing, the company said in a blog post on Friday. The Bing chatbot, which is powered by technology developed by the San Francisco startup OpenAI and also makes some incredible audio transcription software, is only open to beta testers who've received an invitation right now. iTeach take on this news. We're not surprised that all this is bound to happen with new technology, especially with the artificial intelligence and how fast it's growing right now and everybody's using it. I think people need to know that even though I'm a frequent chat GPT user myself, you need to not trust everything you see in the response. Otherwise, it will lead you to dark places and could actually make you get in trouble depending on what information you look into obtain. So I always will say use AI at the moment with caution, and do not take anything you hear as the only true information. This is all for today's news. We know there's a lot more news we missed, but to make the video fast and quick, we wanted to give you something. However, in the future videos, if you like this type of content, we will incorporate more news from the big techs. Thank you for watching it. Please let us know in the comments what is the most interesting news you heard today, and also please like the video and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, and we'll see you next time.